Hello guys, I'm going to show you a GITAM care and vending machine in GITAM University. In beginning, I don't know where to exit. I saw one of the route. At last, I got steps, and I came through the steps because we have lifts, but I didn't use because I don't know where to go, so I used the steps and I came through this way. Yeah, I'm showing I'm showing vending machine, so I came here now. So this is the vending machine. All students used to uh, buy some what they want. Okay, this is the screen. We have to select what we want. I selected, and we have to go to cart. Yeah, and check out. We will get the QR. We have to scan and we have to pay, and it will fall into the basket. We can collect it from there. This is the process. Yeah, I took. I'm going to show you Geetam Cave. It's a very beautiful and with good ambience. It will start early morning and it will close at 4 o'clock. Yeah, this is the cave. In afternoon lunch they serve same as they serve in hostel. Morning they'll change somewhat, they'll serve somewhat different food for breakfast. And we have the G Diner app for this. We have to order in that and we will collect from there. Before coming to cafe we have to order, or after coming here also we can order, but maximum they will save the time. Students used to book in before they order before they coming to the cave. They order what they want. Before GTiner app, we have a screen in the entrance of cave, and we used to choose what we want, and we order what we are chosen. When we order in the GTiner, after the payment, there will be one token number, and there is a display. I will show the display, but there is no numbers in that now. uh, in that display they used to have some two columns. One is a preparing and another is ready to pick. If our token number is in ready to pick, we can take our order from the counter. Yeah, these are the steps. We can go up and we can eat there. I ordered thumbs up. We have to show the QR code. They will scan and they'll give what we want. I got thumbs up. If you love the video, you can subscribe and like the video, please.